trend or it's in fashion. It starts with a story. Maddock is being built by storytellers. So my dear friend, who we finally now have a partnership with, Love Ranjan, who's the backbone of the writing of this film and a producer on this, is written probably the most relevant rom-com that I've heard in a very long time. And I thank him for doing this with us. And the thing about Love Ranjan is there's no one like him in terms of rom-coms. Like she said, he makes them messy. So thank you, Love, for this. My dearest and oldest friend, Homi Adajania, 23 years ago directed my first film, which I produced, and he's here. And so I'd like him to come on stage. Yeah, Homi, come on. Let's go a little off script. Yeah. So I have to tell you one thing about Homi. He
Take it easy.
So why did you direct Cocktail 2?
Because you asked me to. I didn't have a choice.
Listen, we are in front of the press. Can you be a little nicer?
This is
Longer answer.
Well, we were thinking of making. You've been asking me to make Cocktail 2 for the last 12 years, and we never found a story. And now that we found a story which Love has given us, we made it. That's about it. It's a.
So Preetham says it very nicely that Cocktails actually Homi Adajania directing, Love Ranjan's writing. So let's have Love Ranjan on stage also. Come on.
Love Ranjan.
Love Ranjan is always late. So Love, how do you feel about Homi now? Before it started and now?
Okay, this we aren't going into.
No, we have to go into it.
Let's not go there.
There was an embargo on us made by Dinu. For 3 months we were not allowed to communicate till the shoot. Now we are
No, but then
thick as thieves.
one night we had a few drinks too many and became best friends.
Few
है ना?
cocktails.
Few cocktails. तो दारू सब चीज सॉर्ट कर देती है.
Rest is history. Rest is history.
So what is the one thing you'd like to tell everyone about Cocktail? Like why should people come?
Because it's a story that we haven't seen before. It's new. It's fresh. आपको कुछ भी देख के ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि पहले देखा हुआ है. आप ट्रेलर भी देख लोगे, उसके बाद भी जब आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको बहुत झटके लगेंगे फिल्म में, बहुत शॉक्स आएंगे, प्लेजेंट सरप्राइजेस आएंगे, तो बहुत मजा आएगा फिल्म.
तो इस बार हमने ट्रेलर काटा है वो YouTube कमेंट के लिए, जहाँ बोलते हैं ना आपने सब दिखा दिया ट्रेलर में, आपने सब दिखा दिया ट्रेलर में, तो हमने कुछ नहीं दिखाया. एक्चुअली ट्रेलर है ही नहीं.
हमने बहुत कुछ दिखाया है, फिर भी कुछ नहीं दिखाया है.
So let's just get to the trailer. Yeah, let's watch the trailer and then we'll chat later. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, come on, root it for the trailer. Come on.
I'll do, but they don't run away. With your beautiful face, you should do it. तू गा दे कृति, तू गा दे.
Guys, I'm not a singer. We have a great singer here. क्यों हम लोग ये नहीं कर रहे हो फालतू में? You sing, we'll do lip sync for sure. That's our job.
टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर में जो भी है, वो जो भी पी रहा है वो चेंज कर दे, क्योंकि उसने जब तलक लगाया हुआ है. यार कम से कम तुझको लगा देना, हम थोड़ा सा ऐसे दिखाएंगे कि हमें सब याद है. हाँ, टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर वाले भैया, टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर वाले भैया.
Wow, in Hindi
ठीक है.
Wow, you must sing.
Okay, Sunidhi, I'll sing. Forget these two girls. You just tell me how to do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm just getting nervous. I'll do it.
Okay, the track started.
I want to sing more.
You sing
She's like, okay, हो गया बेटा, रुक जाओ. इसके साथ. There's no spotlight, guys. Just for the two of us. जीने की है तू ही वजह, जीना तेरे मैं क्या कहूँ, ये यार तू है क्या मेरे लिए. तू ही तो आसमां, तू ही मेरी ज़मीं, पाना है ज़िंदगी तुझको.
यार उस टाइम पे लगता है कि वो प्यार है, फिर बाद में लगता है कि शायद नहीं था. It happens.
ये अभी भी कैरेक्टर में है, तो अभी भी आगे कैरेक्टर में है.
What about you, Rashmika? guys, I'm very happy being married right now, so I don't think I should backtrack that.
You can still remember your pehla pyar, na?
Why? No, I'm very happy here, present.
Sunidhi, what about you?
वैसे तो पहले प्यार कई बार होते हैं मुझे सब
Those होते हैं to some people.
बट आई थिंक आई मीन आई एम श्योर आई मैरिड द पहला लव
Wow, that doesn't happen.
मैरिड अब या
Thank you so much,
Shahid,
Sunidhi.
what
And
about
thank
you?
you.
Shahid, what about you?
What about me?
Since you asked me about my pehla pyar, what
I
about
said ना सबको याद रहता है, but what matters is your आखिरी प्यार ना, the final one. पहला प्यार तो पता भी नहीं होता क्या हो रहा है actually उस time पे, you know. But love is actually when you settle and you know that you can be with somebody forever and they accept you for however you are. वही तो पहला क्या मेरा ही गिरा है? I must have said something really true. It's a sign.
Wow, you make it sound like I really don't know what love is, but maybe this movie will teach me. We'll never know. But now that we are here and the teleprompter already prompted us, can we move on to the summer anthem of 2026? You guys know what we're talking about. Guys, come on, let's hear it for Jab Talak.
Where do I begin? Dia is a overthinker, which I feel is a common tag between me and Dia. But otherwise, just the way Dia thinks about situations or what she's done in the film is something which I would have never probably done in my life. So constantly the conversation with Homester was like, are you sure this is okay? You know, so I remember having that conversation and he pretty much convinced me that it's absolutely normal. So,
For example?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't say
that.
anything.
No.
Oh, हाँ,
That,
नहीं बता
that,
सकते.
yeah,
Sorry.
can't say it. So that is that about Dia, but I think it's actually a slice of life. You guys will relate to it. There are some things which you might probably feel like this has happened in my life or is happening in my life. So that's why you guys watch the film and I leave it to you.
Well, I can't wait to meet Dia, Ali and Kunal. But now I'm going to leave it up to you guys. आपको कुछ सवाल पूछने?
अब दिख गया मुझे इसलिए कास्ट इज दैट अ बेटर स्टोरी
Yeah.
आई थिंक इट्स वेरी गुड राइट दैट
Kriti, my next question is to you.
कृति हमारे बिल्डिंग में ही होती है तो हम उसको कास्ट कर देते हैं
Yeah. Listen.
So, my question is, you've literally raised the temperature in Mashuka. Like, you're my spirit animal.
Oh, wow.
You're like the carefree person, the carefree character I have seen. How was the experience flaunting beautifully your body in the movie and even in Mashuka? We loved
I
it.
must say it was a very tough experience because I wasn't getting to eat much and I was for the first time in my life on a very strict diet, that too in Italy. And I think Shahid can vouch for the fact that I was extremely cranky and hangry all the time. So yeah, I mean everything is worth it. I hope so. Now that you're saying that Ali is feeling like your spirit animal, I hope everything is worth it. Yeah.
Hello. Bhumi sir, my question is for you. So you've of course been with these.
by saying who was the easiest actor to work with
I'd have to say Shahid was the easiest to work with. He was. Sorry, girls. But for various reasons. But anyway, we won't get into that. There are quirks while shooting, I can tell you. These are the small things I've noticed. Shahid, when he's flustered, will start blinking madly. And you know something else is going on in his head because he's just constantly like this.
And you always come and tell me, stop blinking.
Stop blinking.
Everything will be fine. Just stop blinking.
Kriti has a question in a non-question also. So she will ask you 1 million questions, which I like. I like actors who ask questions. But Kriti will also try and put her point across to you when she knows I'm not going to listen, as if it's my idea.
There's no harm in trying, you know.
No harm in trying. And Rashmika is a live wire, fantastic actor between action and cut. After which she falls into deep sleep. We never see her. When we're eating during the shoot, whenever we have non-stuff left,
we are being rude.
she's-
I have seen her 3 times. I came always on the treadmill.
That was in the shot. That was in the shot. Otherwise she's just... But yeah. So she's a different animal when you say action, and then she's a ghost after cut.
You know, actually, I have played a robot with Shahid, but in life, she's the robot because I don't know how she functions. She has a huge battery life because she still is able to function after doing 10,000 things every day.
He didn't do a triangle, he did, what is it called? Hexagon.
मेरा सर्कल था भाई, you know, started from the same place and ended in the same
क्या
place.
बात है.
It's like
That's an LIT situation then. But if we're talking about triangles being hypothetical, then real life would be a threesome, right? Has anyone on this stage had a threesome?
कौन
Has
बोला?
anyone on this
Of
stage
course,
had a threesome?
everybody here is going to tell you when they've not answered the triangle question.
I was trying to catch you off guard. Everyone's really spilling it.
Somebody
I think you're
back
on the
there
wrong
said-
stage right now.
I
was
really
somebody
feel
back there
so.
said yeah.
You guys seem to know so much about this. I feel like the kid.
There was some banda
Should
there
ask
who
the
said
audience.
yeah. Who's the yeah? Who said yeah? Almost like you're like in the middle of it right now. कौन था भाई? हाँ? कौन बोला? है ना? कौन बोला? चाचा,
पीछे से आवाज आ
चाचा, भाई चाचा. कौन थ्री थे? तुम, तुम्हारे ख्याल और तुम्हारी तन्हाई.
Love, what is it about just a two-person love story that is just not enough for you?
It's actually my first triangle that I've written.
Really? A true triangle.
ना
How?
मैंने लिखा है ना तरुण ने लिखा है. तरुण में मैंने पहला लव ट्रायंगल लिखा है. इससे पहले ट्रायंगल कभी नहीं लिखा है.
उसमें दो लड़के और एक लड़की थी ना, आपका जो पिछला ट्रायंगल था.
हाँ, उसमें
मोहब्बत दो लड़कों के
रोमांस
बीच.
था. ये एक्चुअल एक लड़का दो लड़की की पहली फिल्म लिखी है मैंने.
But how is that different?
How is that different? It's different because आपको दो अलग अलग तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स और उनके प्यार के साथ खेलने को मिलता है.
खेलने को?
हाँ, मतलब एज अ राइटर तो आप खेल ही रहे होते हो ना. और सब क्या हो गया ना, किसी वक्त जैसे बदला है तो उसमें लव स्टोरीज की लेंथ बहुत बढ़ गई है. आज से 10-12 साल पहले हम कभी भी ऐसी लव स्टोरीज की बात नहीं करते थे जहां आप रिलेशनशिप में 8 साल से हो, 9 साल से हो. तो इसलिए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बहुत चेंज हो गए. पहले की आप अगर लव स्टोरीज उठा के देखोगे, प्यार को पाना वो सबसे बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता था. आज प्यार को बनाए रखना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है.
I clocked it. It's the maintenance. You're right. You're right. Homie, you also said this is very relevant, right? Are you speaking from personal experience?
What, love triangle?
I don't know. You said this is relevant.
No, I think this film is extremely relevant because it's not just black and white love like we've always shown. I think there are a lot of things like, I mean, if you think about cheating but you don't cheat, is that still cheating? Is the intent more than the physical act? So it deals with things like that which very sort of subtly go through the film and you really wonder who's right, who's wrong. So yeah, like Dino said, buy the ticket and check it out.
I think we should ask Rashmika to explain that there are a lot of rumors that you and Kriti are a couple in the film. Do you want to clear that right now?
I think the rumors are coming from one place only, I feel. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
From where? Shahid?
I didn't say nothing, guys. Why would I want it that way? I have nothing to do with that. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं rumors? कौन फैला रहा है?
No, but Rashmika, for real, your chemistry with Kriti has been on fire. Like, how easy was it to click into that?
Instantly happened. Instantly, there was no. I think reading was the first time we actually met.
No, actually, we first met when we worked out together in the same studio. And I literally died because she works out like a beast. And I really didn't know that.
But instantly, even that day, there was no effort. It was just so easy. And when we started,
Do you think that's the reason people think it's a lesbian love story?
You know, I think it's really
Because
sad.
of your natural chemistry.
But I think it's really sad because, like he said, दो लड़के होते हैं तो ब्रोमांस हो जाता है स्ट्रेट. दो लड़के होते हैं तो somehow people don't want to believe they can be friends. या तो इनमें rivalry है या फिर अच्छा दोस्त लग रहे हैं, नहीं तो फिर तो कुछ और चल रहा होगा. So it's really fun.
Okay, let me just clear it up. This is where the rumor came from. We were all sitting on the set. They definitely get a little cuddly with each other because they are friends. And we just sort of hypothetically thought, hey, what if the story was about them and Shahid was the third wheel just driving that
I think it could be a
coupe?
cool one. It could
And
be a very
we-
cool one.
And I just said I wouldn't mind making a movie
Acha,
like
guys,
that, and that's
we were
it.
supposed to clear this up. So just
Oh, sorry.
as you
So
see
there
in
is
the
nothing.
trailer, there are two love stories. पुराना लव और नया लव और ये लव और कुछ नहीं है, किसी का लव नहीं है इस पिक्चर में, ठीक है, और कोई लव नहीं.
There's always a third with you guys, isn't it? But you were talking about how there was like.
It was her.
What did I do? Okay. Okay, I swear I have no idea what's going to be happening in this movie. But if this trailer is anything to go by, I feel seen as a red flag, a proud red flag. I think we're all going to get to see a little bit more of what can happen. Okay, I have a few questions. Dinesh, can we start with you?
Yeah, of course.
So you said that हमने ऐसी कोई story पहले देखी नहीं है. This is absolutely fresh, but it's also relevant. You said, right? What do you think has changed in like love and friendships now?
I think the current youth wants more connect. I think they're a lot more organic in everything, including what they eat. I think everyone is relying less on other highs and letting love be the biggest high. And I think this film gives love hope. And I think that's what's cool about it. Like the first one had a lot more, had a very intense second half. This second half is very, very unconventional. So, but like I said, I'm not going to say much. You got to buy a ticket.
Well, you have my money already. Like literally, my scanner is out somewhere. But speaking of the first cocktail, it was such a huge success. Were you ever like scared of making the next one? Did you almost not make it?
I wouldn't say we didn't make it. We took 13 years to make it, so most people would be out of work by then. But I think you should make a film when, like we always say, you cannot not make the film. So when Love narrated it, we knew we had to make it. And I must tell you, this was the quickest casting in history. I was talking to Shahid. I remember I was at my balcony and I told him, this, there. You're a great actor, but here you have to have fun. And he said, yeah, I'm on. And same happened with these two. So I think it was the easiest film to cast. It was a fun ride, right? So, homie, I want to ask a question. Did you prefer shooting Cocktail 1 or Cocktail 2? I said I'll make the questions a little more interesting.
I was younger
Masala
then.
chahiye, masala.
I was younger then. I had a better time shooting this one.
Are you being politically
You don't
correct?
have a choice.
No, because I live in the moment and this is my moment right now.
Rashmika, what about you? Which cocktail did you enjoy more?
In the first one.
Oh, I didn't know. Rashmika, say something. Don't you all want Rashmika? I know the Paps love her. She should say something more. Nah? Go. Come on, Rashmika. I know you.
What should I say? You ask a question, I'll answer.
Have you ever been in a love triangle?
No.
शादी हो गया, I know. मैं past की बात कर
No,
रही हूँ.
I have not had this love triangle situation.
What was the
So
cocktail
this
you
was my
had
first.
in your wedding?
Huh?
What's the cocktail you had in your wedding?
I actually didn't drink at my wedding. I was just too busy partying.
We made up for it.
Yeah. We did made up for it.
Okay, I want to ask Shahid something. घिसी हुई t-shirt या brand new hoodie?
Love you. Thank you so much.
Comfort or excitement? If you just had to pick one.
Kisi हुई t-shirt for sure. I only sleep in kisi हुई t-shirts. I cannot sleep in anything that looks new or naya or like I need very old comfortable clothes. So that's a line that I really resonated with. I was like, ये तो मेरी life है. So 100% kisi हुई t-shirt.
Wow, I wasn't talking about sleeping, but since we are there, Kriti, have you ever been in a love triangle since you asked Rashmika that?
What does that have to do with sleeping?
I think the
What are
movie
you
will
trying
tell
to
us more. You're giving away too much.
She was just trying a smooth transition.
Ah, settlement.
Let it be.
Help me out here. Dinesh has already taken us off track. I love this.
Well, I think जब मैं school में थी तो I had a crush on my really close friend's crush. So it wasn't really, but I didn't do much about it. I wasn't like Ali. क्योंकि हम ना अच्छे दोस्त थे. यहाँ पे हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं इतने. So उतने भी अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं, you know. So I didn't do much about it, but yeah, I had a crush. But good, I didn't go for it because that guy turned out to be a bit of a red flag.
You had a crush on a crush's crush.
I had a
Or is
crush
the
on
guy-
my best friend's crush.